Okay, now let's bring our data in, and let's just start with the most blurry image with ISO 100, just to see what's going on. Oh, sorry, now I did the wrong thing. I should have taken. Okay, I think they are, must be these. Let's go to MATLAB, and our deconvolution. I guess data would be the right place for these guys. Let's put them there. And what was the what's the number of the file we want? 3450, the last one. Okay, it's still reading it. Okay, so let's open this one in Photoshop. So we see it's slanted due to my poor skills with the tripod. Let's try to turn it. Very scientific. Okay, looks pretty good. So let's first take the. Oh, let's take both the edge image and the EAN code in. So here we have the image. Now actually we can go from color image to grayscale, and let me just quick save this as a Photoshop file, because we need to do two things from this, the edge image and the code image. So let's first do the edge. So something like this. Ai niin se piste.
Niin se on siinä oikealla. Siinä
oh, joo, se otetaan mukaan. Piste mukaan. Yeah, let's take this. Let's take the point. Let's see if this is. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's take this one and save this. Save this as the edge, and this is the blur 3. And I don't want to do the Photoshop file format now. Let's save it in TIFF format. Like that. And also let me point out that the image mode also, you see it's 16 bits. That's important. So now we have the edge image, and actually maybe we can take a look at this point. Where is it? Here. So hopefully from this guy we could kind of see how big our disk is. Actually we could, let's open the let's open the sharp image as well while we are at it. I guess that should be the first one. And here again we have to turn this pretty good. Oh, maybe pretty good. No, it's so hard. Well, okay, let's do this also 16 bits, but now grayscale, and let's save this one. So this should be, well, let's do this just as Photoshop like we did with the last one. So here we can see just to make a quick, and well, it's not even so round, but it's roughly like 16 pixels wide. And if you look at the other one, where is it? Does it make any sense? Somewhere here maybe. .26 maybe. So from 16 to 26, so maybe our disk has a radius of roughly 5 pixels. Maybe. Okay, anyway, let's start working with this one first. Let's see how this looks like in MATLAB. So I already made a file called data, measure data. So let's say in the lecture, what's this 15th of? Yeah. And then read in the image, and let's see what was the name, data and edge blur 3.tiff. So here the image will be this one, and now after reading it in, it will be 16-bit integer, so let's change it to double like this, and let's take a look. Niin puuttuu. Okay, well, here is our image, and what we are interested in would be something like just a profile. So this is our data. This is how it looks like, and we can zoom in. So the interesting stuff happens here. So as you see, it's not just a jump, it has some kind of a soft shape, which we will model. Okay, time for the break. And actually, we have today also a feedback questionnaire. So please take one A4 from Santeri and leave it here or return it after the second part of the lecture. You can do it either whenever, during the break or after. Yeah. Okay, let's have the break anyway.